It's a 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Advanced engineering features include a powerful V8 engine, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, driveline traction control, and electronic stability control. Inside, you'll find a multi-speaker stereo sound system with a CD player, OnStar emergency SOS, internet access capability, and dual-zone air conditioning, combining SUV comfort and convenience with pickup truck capability and toughness. This Avalanche is an outstanding value. See it for yourself today.
Call, click, or stop into Honda of Fife today. We are conveniently located at 4301 20th Street East in Fife, Washington, right on I-5.